I started Twice Media Productions 1 year after my father was killed. Growing up, I watched him own several businesses. The one he loved the most was his entertainment company, where he worked as a DJ. The name Twice Media actually comes from my initials TW and his stage name, DJ Ice. After his passing, I realized how short life is. So 3 months after finishing grad school, at the age of 24, I moved to Houston with no business or real job experience and very few contacts. But 12 years later, we're still here. We have a production studio in downtown Houston, a growing team, and we've been fortunate to work with some of the biggest brands in the world. I'm grateful for every client, every employee, every intern, and my incredibly supportive family, and everyone who's been rooting for us all these years. We don't take your support lightly, and we appreciate you. To the next 12 years and beyond, this one's for you, Ice.